Okay, so here we are for part C.
Yep.
The distance between the two museums we just got from Google, which is 3,098.6 miles.
Wow.
That's pretty far.
Yeah.
And the diameter of our wheel, the diameter of our wheel is 28 1/4 inches. Okay? So let me ask you a couple questions. What are we ultimately trying to do?
We're trying to find we're trying to figure out how many times the wheel spins around when we go this distance.
Okay, so what are our next steps going to be?
I think we have to divide 3,098.6 by 28 1/4 or 28.25.
Okay. Now the couple problems there. What do we need to do to figure out how many times the wheel spins around?
Well, we already have both distances.
What do we have?
We have the diameter of the wheel, so we have to multiply it by. We have to multiply the diameter by pi.
Okay, we have to multiply the diameter by pi to get the circumference. So step one is going to be get the circumference, which is going to be, what is 28 1/4 as a number?
Is
As a decimal, I mean?
28.25.
28.25 times pi. And what should we use as our approximation for pi?
Maybe 3.14159.
3.14159, okay. That's fine. Calculator, 3.14159 times 28.25. That equals 88.7499. How should I approximate that?
Let's do 88.75.
Good job, 88.75 inches. That's the circumference.
And
Okay.
I think now we have to divide it by 398.9.
3098.6 miles divided by 88.75 inches. Okay. Now, before we do that, 88.75 inches around, and we got to go 3,098.6 miles. How many times do you think this wheel's going to spin around?
Well,
Without trying to do the math, just if you imagine driving from Boston to San Francisco, more than 3,000 miles. How many times do you think that wheel's going to spin around?
maybe around 100. Maybe around. I think probably a big number, like 500, maybe.
A big number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like 500.
Maybe. Or it might be less than that.
Less than 500? How many times do you think the wheel spins around just from the time we go from, we leave our house so we go to the end of our driveway? Think about how big that wheel is.
Well, it's 88. Maybe one time.
One time.
Or maybe a bit more than that.
Okay, well, what do you think?
Probably maybe 2 times.
2 times. Okay, let's go back outside and look at that wheel, okay?
Yep.
All right, let's go back outside.